One of Kyrie Irving's most lethal shots is a step-back three from the right wing.
For me, it's just an incredible shot because I'm already lined up to the rim and my elbow's already pointed. So when I get it to kind of that area where it's on my hip, it's just almost just a straight shot. You know, it's almost undefendable for me.
So what makes this shot virtually impossible to defend? We'll start with his ball handling. Previous sports science testing revealed that this four-time All-Star has one of the quickest crossovers in the league. In fact, he can execute a crossover in as little as 35 hundredths of a second. And he couples that sick handle with a lightning-quick release we clocked at under half a second. Compared to an average NBA release, Irving's quick trigger can translate to an extra foot of separation from a closing defender. Now on a typical jumper, Irving uses what's called a staggered stance, aligning his shooting shoulder, elbow, and front hip with the rim. But unlike most right-handed shooters, Irving's step back is often a sidestep to his right. While this maneuver can create a foot and a half more separation than a normal step back, it often leaves his hips about 20 degrees offline. So to compensate for this power loss by this misalignment, Irving will increase his knee flexion by roughly 15 degrees. And as he releases the ball, Irving frequently kicks his right leg out. Like a tightrope walker using a balance pole, this shifts his center of mass by an estimated 9 inches, providing extra stability when shooting and landing. All told, using fast and precise adjustments like these, Irving so far this postseason is knocking down a ridiculous 73.7% of his step-back jumpers. That's more than 30 percentage points higher than Golden State's Steph Curry.